5 ways rich people use debt to make more money. Are you in debt and feeling terrible about it? Don't worry, you're not alone. According to a report by the Federal Reserve, the average American household has around $7,000 in credit card debt. But did you know that some of the richest people in the world have made their fortunes by using debt? In this video, we'll explore 5 ways that wealthy people use debt to make money. Number 1. Leverage. One of the most common ways that wealthy people use debt to make money is through leverage. Leverage is when you borrow money to invest in something with the hope that the return on your investment will be greater than the cost of borrowing. For example, let's say you have $100,000 to invest, and you want to buy a property worth $1 million. You could put down a $100,000 deposit and borrow the remaining $900,000 from a bank. If the property goes up in value by 10%, then you've made a return of 100% on your investment. However, if the property goes down in value by 10%, then you've only lost 10% of your investment. Number 2. Refinancing. Another way that wealthy people use debt to make money is through refinancing. Refinancing is when you take out a new loan to pay off an existing loan. This can be done for a variety of reasons, but one common reason is to get a lower interest rate. For example, let's say you have a mortgage with an interest rate of 6%. If you can refinance your mortgage at 4%, then you're effectively saving 2% on your loan every year. This can add up to a lot of money over time. Number 3. Debt consolidation. Debt consolidation is another way that rich people use debt to make money. Debt consolidation is when you take out a new loan to pay off multiple existing loans. This has the effect of reducing your monthly payments and can help you save money on interest over time. For example, let's say you have 3 credit cards with balances of $5,000, $3,000, and $2,000 respectively. If you consolidate these debts into one new loan with an interest rate of 5%, then your monthly payment will be lower than it would be if you kept making payments on all 3 credit cards separately. Number 4. Investments. Another way that wealthy people use debt to make money is through investments. Investments are when you put your money into something with the hope that it will increase in value over time. Common types of investments include stocks, bonds, and real estate. For example, let's say you buy a stock for $10 and it goes up in value to $20. You just made a 100% return on your investment. Number 5. Businesses. Finally, another way that wealthy people use debt to make money is through businesses. Owning a business can be risky, but it can also be very profitable if done correctly. Businesses often need loans or lines of credit to get started. For example, let's say you start a business with $100,000 in seed funding from investors. You may need to take out a loan or line of credit to cover expenses such as inventory, rent, salaries, etc. If the business is successful, then you can repay the loan with interest and keep the profits for yourself. There are a number of ways that wealthy people use debt to make money. Some common methods include leverage, refinancing, debt consolidation, investments, and businesses. Each method has its own risks and rewards associated with it. However, if done correctly, using debt to make money can be an effective way to grow your wealth over time. If you find the video informative, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.